Hey y'all! Ready to laugh your socks off? Because today we're diving into some of the most side-splitting moments straight from the heart of Jamaica. Trust me, these are the kind of stories that will have you rolling on the floor with laughter. Today I'm sharing the two most hilarious moments straight out of Jamaica. These moments are not just funny, they are legendary. They capture the spirit, the humor, and the vibrant culture of Jamaica in the most unexpected ways. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready for a laughter-filled ride through the sunny streets of Jamaica. First up, we've got the classic Goat Racing Festival. This isn't your typical race, folks. It's a wild, unpredictable, and absolutely hilarious event that you have to see to believe. Yep, you heard me right, goat racing. Imagine a bunch of goats, each with their own tiny jockey, racing down a track while the crowd goes wild. It's a sight to behold. Picture this. People cheering, bets flying, and the stars of the show, a bunch of goats with tiny jockeys riding them. The excitement is palpable and the atmosphere is electric. A bunch of goats with tiny jockeys riding them. These little guys are determined to win, and their enthusiasm is contagious. You can't help but root for them. These goats are dashing down the track like their little hooves are on fire. It's a race like no other, filled with unexpected twists and turns. And when the jockeys fall off, oh, it's pure comedy gold. The crowd erupts in laughter, and the goats just keep on running. Oh my gravy, it's like watching a rodeo clown show. The falls, the near misses, and the sheer determination of those tiny jockeys make it an unforgettable experience. You can't help but laugh at their determination and those wobbly legs. It's a perfect blend of skill, luck, and pure entertainment. Now, if that didn't tickle your funny bone, wait till you hear about the Jamaican bus driver karaoke. This is where the everyday commute turns into a surprise concert. Imagine getting on a crowded bus and suddenly, the driver grabs a mic and starts belting out some Bob Marley. It's unexpected, it's joyous, and it's absolutely hilarious. And let me tell you, these drivers sing with everything they've got. They pour their hearts into every note, turning a mundane bus ride into a memorable event. Passengers join in, turning the bus ride into a full-blown concert. It's a communal experience that brings everyone together in the most delightful way. One time, the driver hit a high note so good that it stopped traffic. Literally, cars honking, people dancing in the streets. It's pure island magic. Cars honking, people dancing in the streets. It's pure island magic. The energy is infectious, and it's moments like these that make Jamaica so special. I hope y'all got a good laugh out of these Jamaican gems. These moments are a testament to the vibrant and joyful spirit of Jamaica. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more belly laughs. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more joy to your screens. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time. Bye now, keep smiling and stay tuned for more hilarious adventures.